Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna tackle a challenging problem from LeetCode number 995, called minimum number of k consequent bit flips. In this problem, we are given a bit array nums and an integer k. Our task is to perform k-bit flip, which involves choosing a subarray of length k from nums and simultaneously changing every 0 in the subarray to 1 and every 1 in subarray to 0. The goal is to return the minimum number of k-bit flips required so that there is 0 in the array. If it's not possible, we return minus 1. Let's look at examples. Here we have nums 0, 1, 0 and k1. The output should be 2 because we flip nums with 0, then flip nums with 2. And if we have other examples where we can't flip and we can flip 3 times. Now let's dive into solution. We will use a sliding window approach to solve this problem. First of all, we'll initialize 3 variables: flip to keep track of current number of flips, flips to keep track of total number of flips, and isFlipped to keep track of whether each bit has been flipped or not. Then we will iterate over the nums of our array. For each bit, we check if the current number of flips is even and the current bit is 0, or if the current number of flips is odd and the current bit is 1. If the condition is true, we need to flip the current bit. If the current position plus k is greater than the length of the nums array, then it's not possible to flip k. Consider the bits starting from the current position, so we return minus 1. Otherwise, we increment the total number of flips, toggle the current number of flips, and mark the current bit as flipped. Finally, we return the total number of flips. So let's start from declaring our variables. Let flip equal 0, flips equal to 0, is flipped equal to 0, equal to new array nums length, and fill with zeros. Now we will iterate over the nums array. Let I equal 0, I nums length, I to increase, flip is flipped, I minus k, and to 0. Now, if the current numbers of flips is even, the current bit is 0, or if the current number of flips is odd and the current number bit is 1, then we need to flip the current bit. Use if flip divided by 2 equal nums by 0 by I. Here is the current position is plus k is greater than the length next nums array, then it is not possible to flip k. Constant bit started from the current position, so we return minus k. So let's if 1 I plus k more than nums length, we will return minus 1. Lastly, else we increment the total number of flips, toggle the current number of flips, and mark the current bit as flipped. Else flips flip to 1 and is flipped I equal 1. After it, we will return the total number flips. Let's test it. There is some typo. Let I equal nums length. Build their comma. And submit. And it beats 100. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video helps. If you have any question, please leave them in comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more coding solutions. Goodbye.